Hi, welcome to What is School of Languages. In today's lesson, we shall have a look at personal pronoun in French, personal or subject pronoun. So let's quickly study the objective. By the end of this lesson, the people will be able to identify the subject pronouns, practice the subject pronouns. All right, let's quickly have a look at the content. Personal or subject pronoun. What are subject pronouns in French? They are main actors in a sentence. The one that perform the action in a sentence. When you have a sentence, we have so many words in a sentence. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. But the one that is called subject pronoun is the main one that is doing the action. Let's have a look at. Conjugating a verb is directly linked with the subject pronoun, and the ending of the verb will depend solely on the subject pronoun. So if you want to conjugate the verb like the verb to go in French, it is linked with the subject pronoun that you use, and the ending of that verb will also be related to the subject pronoun. It means that the verb agree with the subject pronoun. We have two groups, the singular subject pronouns and the plural subject pronouns. The singular subject pronouns are as follows. We are going to name them in order. Je, which is I, the first subject pronoun, first person of the subject pronoun. Tu, which means you, that is you singular, the second person of the subject pronoun. Il, elle, on. The il is he, the elle is she, and the on is we. This on here, when you say we, it doesn't talk about the plural. It's in a neutral form where someone may say something and you say that, we say that. We say that. Who says that? You will never know the person who says. But since we say we say that, it doesn't necessarily mean that you are involved, but it means that you're also part of those who say that. So in this case, we are going to repeat the subject pronouns again. So you kindly repeat after me the subject pronoun one more time. Je, can you say that? Je, tu, il, elle, on. Remember that there's another we in other form, and we shall have a look at it. So we go. Let's practice the use of the subject pronoun. How do we say you? You, she, I, il, on, tu. The you is tu. The she is elle. The I is what? Je. And the il singular is he. The on is what? We or one. Or the tu also means you. Understand? So this is how you can identify the subject pronoun. Now the plural subject pronouns. We are done with the singular subject pronoun. You know their number. We have je, tu, il, elle, on. So you have 5. Now let's go to the plural subject pronoun. We have nous. In French, you can also say on, we have, or on a, or nous avons, that is we have, which is the more formal way. Vous, you use in more formal way than tu. Il, they, plural of il, and elle, they, plural of elle. This one relates to a group of girls or ladies or feminine gender things, like table. Table is a thing, so the plural you say les tables. Replacing les tables with a subject pronoun, you say elle. Good. Example, les tables sont marron. The tables are brown. I want to replace les tables with a subject pronoun, say elles sont marron. They are brown. Table is feminine. So it might be replaced with a feminine subject pronoun plural. Il, they relate to a group of men, boys or masculine gender thing, like car or cars. Example, les livres sont bien. The books are good. Ils sont bien. They are good. Livres is masculine. All right. The mixed gender, masculine and feminine. Let's have a look at it. If you have 100 women and 15 men, you will use the il version. Grammatically speaking, the voice is stronger. What does it mean? We have two genders, male and female, masculine and feminine. The masculine gender deals with the male's sex, boys, men, and the like. When it comes to things, we have like cars, we have like vélo. In that case, if you take 999 women and you add a single boy among the group or to the group, the feminine gender changes into masculine gender. It means that the masculine gender takes over the feminine gender. So if you have Kofi et les filles, Kofi et Ama, you not say because we have Kofi et les filles girls, it means that girls dominate here. No. So if you have replaced Kofi et Ama with a subject pronoun, you use il plural. So quickly, we are going to have a look at this one too. We are going to learn again the plural subject pronoun. So kindly repeat after me. Nous, that is we. Vous, you. Il, they, group of boys. Elle, they, group of girls. Nous, vous, il, elle. Let's practice the plural subject pronoun. How do we say we? How do you say they? You, nous, elle, vous. For nous, for we say nous. For they, we say il. For you, you say vous. Nous, you say we. Elle, you say they. And vous, you say you. Here, why will you use the tu or vous? If you want to talk to the queen, what will you use? Tu or vous? It will have to be vous as a formal way of respect. So tu or vous here, the vous is formal way, formal or more than one person. That's when you use the vous. When you want to talk to a person in a formal way, use vous instead of tu. Now, if you want to address a student, what will you use? Tu or vous? Tu or vous, you use tu. It is informal way or with children. If you want to address a teacher, what will you use? Tu or vous? Tu or vous, you use vous, because when you don't know somebody well, or as a mark of respect, you also use vous. You use tu when you think you have known the person long enough. Basically, you should always say vous. Summary. These are the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. These are the subject pronouns that you need to form sentences. Let's also practice and identify the missing pronoun among the list below. Let's look at this. I'm just displaying them, and you look on your screen and you tell me what are the missing subject pronouns. Let's go from the first one. In the first one, you have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, il, elle. What is the missing subject pronoun here? Can you tell me? It's vous. After nous, you have vous. Great. Now let's go to the second list. Je, tu, il, je, tu, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. What is the missing subject pronoun? Il, singular. In the third list, je, tu, il, elle, on, vous, il, elle. What is the missing subject pronoun? is nous. Have you seen it? So when a subject pronoun is missing, you should be able to know because they are in order always. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson on subject pronoun. And in summary, we can say that we have maximum of 9 subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. And we have the singular subject pronoun and the plural subject pronoun. If you have an issue, kindly go below the page. You see a question section. Just put your question, submit, and get a reply within 24 hours. Merci. À la prochaine. Au revoir.